and welcome to my video. Today I'm definitely sure this isn't going to be boring. Okay, today I have my friend Bily and I also have a cat, but I can't find her, so I don't know what to do. So today we're going to talk about school. Some people like it, some people hate it. I don't know what's the problem. Okay, so I like school, kinda. I would be bored if I didn't have school. It'd be really
Abby, can I
boring.
just pause?
Be really bored. Right, Billy, your turn. What do you think about school?
Fun.
Okay, because we are in year 6 and we've only got like a week left and we do a special show. Right, okay, so. Right. In my next video, which is I'm going to make some cakes. Right, wait a moment, okay. And I just want to, right, okay, so, hello. Right, right. This is my sister Kira. Oh, there's a truck behind you. This is my sister Kira.
I don't like trucks.
And she is doing the camera. And this is Billy. Say hi, Billy.
Hi!
Yeah.
Whoever's.
Yeah, okay, right. And please subscribe. Billy also has a channel, so please subscribe to him. Right, Billy, keep them entertained.
Hiya.
Actually, Billy, don't. Well, watch Billy's channel if you like games. Right. I am making. Right. Next of all, I will be making some devil cupcakes. Yeah. Billy, what's that? Oh my god. He's a boy, so simple, he'll burp. Okay, so tomorrow I'm going to see my brother and it's like 2 hours away, but it's really long.
2.5 hours.
2.5 hours, thank you, Kira. And it's like really long. Right. Okay. Billy, stop laughing at me. It's despicable. Okay, so I am going to stop this video now and I'm just going to say bye.